All my life I've been working for the money. All my life I've been chasing after honey. All my life you could never take it from me. Got the confidence of every motherfucker who said fuck me. Fuck you. Go figure now, the boy here rising like the sun in the morning. Yeah, that horizon raise the bar like Verizon.
Oh god.
In my town, I'm the
I don't know if the camera can pick this up. Oh, myself. It looks like it's burning alive. And then a nice ACF 50 coat on the bike. And it's just burning off now, but look how nice the bike looks. Look at it burn. Smells amazing. What a day. First on the agenda is fuel. I haven't filled this bike up in ages. It's too nice not to be out. It's windy. Like every vlog I do, it's very windy, but look how nice of a day it is. Happy Christmas and Happy New Year. I hope you all had an amazing Christmas. My Christmas this year was nice because I didn't have to go to work, so that was a first for me, and I loved it. I'm not back now till next Wednesday. So yeah, it's the 29th, so Happy New Year as well. What an amazing year this has been for me, personally and for the channel. I didn't hit my 1,000 subscribers, unfortunately. Tire's too cold to do a wheelie. I could probably do better than that. Ah, come on, you fuck. I can sometimes do good wheelies. There, that wasn't too bad. It's a commitment. I just gotta commit. Oh yeah, fuel lights on now. Happy New Year, Happy Christmas. Hope it was amazing for you. This weather has been so fucking strange, like really, really weird. We've had like 2 days of ice this winter, and the rest have been fairly nice. The past few weeks now have been pretty miserable, but literally like December, the middle to the end of December has been beautiful. It's been really, really nice. And when it's this nice, is that like an abandoned van? That's what it looks like. When the weather's this nice, it'd be a shame not to go for a little spin. And I'm gonna go up to where I used to live. Hopefully the roads are fucking dry. Fuel time. Be polite and take my helmet off. I don't really like it here. It's fuel got. Gotta reset my trips now. It's so long I forget how to reset a trip. Trip number for 1. This one. There we are. You go, Tinga. I want to get a new camera, literally just to put on the rear swing just on the rear swing arm. I think it'll look cool, and especially at night if I get some flamage, it'd be pretty nice. But I've been wanting to get a Hero Session, and for those of you who have GoPros, you probably know that they're actually discontinued, and they're really hard to get. They're pretty much impossible to get. What way to go? I'll go somewhat long way. Oh, excuse me. Put it to second. ...2018's over, 2019 is beginning. It's crazy how fast this year has gone, and it's been such a crazy year. It's been a pretty good year, to be honest. And personally, mainly, it's been such a good year. Like, so much shit is like finished. College is over with, graduate, that's done. I have a half decent job now. Like, things are just good. Unfortunately for the channel, we didn't get to the 1,000 subscribers, and I am a little bit gutted, but you know what, we've grown so much over the channel. Some fun things have happened, and I'm happy with the progress we have made. Next year we're gonna get 1,000 subscribers fairly soon, I hope. But yeah guys, I hope you've had an amazing Christmas, and I hope you have a great new year. I kind of want to talk about my plans for 2019 for the channel. Yeah, for next year what I want is I want to get some nice audio sounds of this bike, because it really does. All the videos that I have on it, or me saying how amazing it is, it doesn't do it justice at all. Like, it's such a fucking nice sounding bike. The main thing I want to do for next year is I want to go on track with this, because I've seen some videos and apparently it's pretty nice on track. I'm thinking it'd be similar to a like an SV650, and especially in Mondello. If anyone from Ireland knows Mondello, you know, there's not a lot of, there's no straights actually. Technically there's no straights, but it's a real technical track, so all the torque this bike has would be amazing. But the main thing I want to do is I want to get better at wheelies. You know, I can wheelie, I'm just shit at it, and it's more of I just don't practice. There's nowhere around me to really practice. I just want to, you know, get confident on it. So that's the plan, that's the main plan. Get a camera, get a new camera, so that I can have some nice sound and angles, because everyone loves good angles. We're going to start saving for a mortgage for our house. I know, like, what the fuck, but you know, now that I'm in a decent job that pays half decent, and I'm actually able to save. Like, in my old job, I was getting paid that little. It was, you know, savings was kind of not a thing really. But I'm going to be saving up now, and hopefully next 2 to 3 years I'll have, you know, a decent chunk for my own house. €1,500 a month for rent for a 1-bed apartment is probably quite reasonable. That's how bad it's gotten. So it's crazy expensive. So I'm going to save, and hopefully I can have my own place, because I want a house. You know, I don't want a fucking apartment that I don't actually have parking for my bike. You know, I have a garage now, which is absolutely amazing. I don't want to be living in Dublin where I'm paying stupid money for rent, but I'm scared to leave my bike there, you know. Hope you guys can hear me actually. It's really fucking windy because it's so open.
If I knew I had to get that bag, yeah. All my life, all my life, all my life, all my life, my life, all my life, all my life, all my life, my life, all my life, all my life, all my life. Never stopping, getting the money, I'm weighing my options. Forever dropping, forgetting the bunnies who ain't popping. I'm popping, I'm popping, I'm rolling, I'm rolling. I got that shit and I know it, I know it. I'm popping, I'm popping, I'm rolling, I'm rolling. I got that shit and I know it, I know it. Forever knowing where the mic going, I'm telling y'all that I ain't hoeing around on no hoe shit. I'm telling y'all I do this for real. Get a little bit of money for the deal. This the independent swagger I'm making before the meal. So chill, I'm chilling like a plate of summer slog. Got the good vibes going, part 2, I want it all. I always wanted it all, always wanted it all, always wanted it all. I always wanted it all.
I'm gonna go up to the old castle. This one's for you, Lucky Luke. You gonna fucking go, or what you doing? Gonna go up to the old castle here in Slane, Hill of Slane, not Slane Castle. I'm after treating myself to a nice a new pressure washer that has a foam cannon. So that's something so new to me. I was so excited to use it on the car there, because the car hasn't been washed in like 2 months, and it's a red car, but it was actually black. That's how dirty it was. So I was so excited to use it, and it came out beautiful. It came out so nice. So I can't wait to use it on the bike now, because I'm after buying a new Canon 4, because there was a standard one with it that was kind of shite, to be honest. It was just, it didn't like stick. It was just like someone threw a bucket of soapy water over the car. So I got a proper phone Canon and some, I think it's decent shampoo for it. It's just a Valadon shampoo or a foam wash. So I can't wait to use that now and actually get it to stick to the bike and make it look all nice. There's just something so satisfying about the foam, more so on bikes, I think, because it hugs the shape of the bike, and it's kind of cool. What's going on here? Oh, tears. There's tears. Man, it's almost the end of 2018. Leave your fucking problems in 2018. It was just for you, Lucky Luke. I haven't seen a castle video of you in a while, or from you in a while, and I haven't been up to a castle in a while. But another thing, actually, speaking of castles, what I want to do more in 2019 is I want to travel more. So me and Mrs. Dragon went on our first abroad holiday together, and I haven't been abroad in fucking ages. And you know, going to South Africa, that didn't count because that was at work. That was not a holiday. Put in first gear because it's going to slide. It's so nice and shiny, so I'm happy. It's Instagram time. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead. It's moto.dragon. I do put up some nice photos. I miss living here. Like, it's just so, it's picturesque. That's all it is. It's such a nice area of the country. It's just all like field and all around us. So this is County Meath. So like all around Meath is just some seriously nice heritage. It's so cool. Like, you go over kind of some of the western parts and more south, and you get like the Viking villages and all, which are really fucking cool. You know, there's just something so nice about this part of Meath. It's the Slane. Yeah, guys, I just wanted to come out and talk to you, go for a little ride. You can see how the Slane now, it actually looks so nice. I wanted to go out for a little spin. Wish you all a happy Christmas and a Merry New Year. Merry what? What? that hurt my brain. Happy Christmas and a Happy New Year. I should have said Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, but that's okay. Ah well. Yeah, I just wanted to get out of the bike because every time I've gone to do a video, and I have done videos, and I think there's one actually uploading now that should be, oh bollocks, did I forget to hit publish? Probably. But I keep forgetting to say Happy Christmas, so this is my Christmas vlog because I haven't had time to go out and actually make one because I've been with family and I haven't been on the bike. But this is my Christmas vlog and my New Year's vlog, and again, Happy Christmas, Happy New Year. What are your plans for 2019? As I said, to recap, mine are to travel more, that's kind of a personal one. Lose a bit of jiggle, that's a personal one. With the bike, I want to get a new camera. I want to hook some audio up on it. It's nice and smooth downshifting. You know, I want to obviously do a bit more to the bike and also to wheelie better. How nice does that sound? But yeah, guys, like, that's the video. Hope all of you enjoyed. What are your New Year's plans / resolutions? I don't like calling them resolutions because then they just have that label with them, you know, and now they're going to get broken and all this shit. You know, it's just the changes or things I want to do and stuff I want to do differently next year. Yeah, guys, look, that's the video. Hope all of you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you on the next video.
Never stopping, getting the money, I'm weighing my options. Forever dropping, forgetting the bunnies who ain't popping. I'm popping, I'm rolling.